Hello, everyone. I just wanted to, you know, um, discuss a concept on um, international relations, and that concept is talking about the the Cold War. The Cold War. For those of you that do not understand the concept of the Cold War, I will do justice by explaining what the Cold War is and the actors and the state actors that are actually involved in the Cold War. Um, so, like I said earlier, my page is David Oniwiz on the Facebook. If you have not subscribed to this page, you can do that by following my page. This page is for intellectual capability. Is an intellectual forum where we share or cross-fertilize ideas, and I'm the anchor on this live stream lecture. Um, I just felt maybe let me just come online and do one or two magics like we always do on our platform. Our platform is open to criticisms. If you have any comment on how we can serve you better, you can do that. And if you have not followed my page before, you can also do that. So today we're talking about the Cold War. I will start from the period of the Second World War from 1939 to 1945. The Second World War actually started in 1939, and the Second World War was between Germany and the United States. It was also between France or among France, Britain, Yugoslavia, Romania, and some other countries. And that was why it was called the Second World War. It was called the Second World War because virtually all the countries of the world, even though colonialism was rampant in Africa, and most of these colonial states have not gained their independence. It was called the Second World War because it involved all these countries. They were all involved. So the Second World War was called the Second World War because it involved a lot of countries in Africa. In fact, the war extended to Tunisia, it extended to Libya, it extended to Burma, it extended to Tripoli and other parts of the world. It extended to Berlin. In fact, the effect of the war was felt in Japan, it was felt in Pearl Harbor in the United States, it was felt in Normandy, and some other parts of the world. So that is the reason why it was called the Second World War. So, like I mentioned before, there are some actors or some countries that were actually